So I'm gonna be making a restoration video. Stay tuned for that. Alright, to get this party started, here you can see me completely failing at life with my short pajamas, you know. Just kidding. Here I am, failing at removing the tape of the midsole. You know, basic stuff. I went overboard with the acetone. You can just see me, scraping the paint off, you know. If you know, you know. Yeah, what you're seeing right now is me doing an amazing tape job, bro. Look at that. Alright, now what I did right there was sarcasm. This was the worst tape job I've ever done. I failed throughout most of this clip, so yeah. Now, remember when I said I went a little overboard on the acetone? Well, it caused this. Now if you don't know what that is acetone damage, and that's hard to get off, so please kill me. So I did most of this off camera, but here I am painting the shoe after terribly removing the old paint. Yeah, there's my terrible paint job too. I've already painted over it like at least 3 layers. Here I am doing a bunch of random stuff like eating this pole, pretty much just waiting for it to dry, you know. After the paint is done drying here, I add 2 coats of high gloss finisher. This will pretty much prevent the paint from cracking.
Cracked at Fortnite, my guy.
And it will give it a high gloss finish because that's what it's called. Pretty much make the midsole reflective and shiny. Once the paint and the finisher has finished drying, it's time to remove the tape. And here I am removing the tape. Now, as you can see, I messed up with the acetone and just the paint and tape job in general. Like, look at that. It's terrible. Now, I also did this off camera, but what I had to do in order to fix this, I had to get 3M sanding pads, and what I did was I scrub-a-dub-dubbed against the midsoles, added like 20 layers of paint, and it was kind of like fixing drywall, but way more harder because it's on a shoe. But yeah, and then I was able to get it to look like this. Now that both of the shoes were smooth, it was time to work on the lower parts of the midsoles. Now we're on to the right shoe. So So pretty much here are some Q-tips, and pretty much we're going to be removing the old white paint from the lower midsole with some acetone. Oh yeah, don't worry, we're not going overboard this time. Alright. So here are my final thoughts. Overall, this was definitely really new to me. I would say I had a lot of fun. I did actually. This was definitely a challenge, one of the most challenging things I've ever had to do, if you ask me. But the reason why this took so long is because I didn't have everything like ordered in time, and not only that, I actually had to order even more stuff like the paint finisher and all that stuff. But yeah, did I make mistakes? Yes, I did. If I recommend this to anyone, any tips that I could give is, 1, don't paint on the suede. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. I did it and it messed up, like it left that spot right there. Just don't paint on the suede, period. Definitely hyped to do another pair of shoes very soon, but for now I need rest, bro. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, setup video coming in like the next couple of days. Alright, I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting for like another month. It's been 9 months since I've said I was gonna do a setup video. Also, sorry for not uploading in a month. You know, online school's been killing me. I have to blur all this out because I don't want you guys to see my setup just yet. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.